All right, guys, welcome to my shed and a quick walkthrough. So the little red car behind me, there's no more engine in it, and I'm pretty sure I've killed the air conditioner as well. So there's no more aircon either. The block turned out really well. All the cylinders are very nice. The only issue I had is there's this black stuff here that made you could hear it against my nail, and it made my pistons very hard to get out. I had to get a kind of like a Chuck's super watt to get it out. You can see it's everywhere, but you know, the bottom of the engine all looks great, all looks wonderful. I've darkened it as opposed to everything looks wonderful. I've already lined up all the ARP bolts to go in there, and they all look perfect. So all I'm waiting for now is the MMR barrels, and we're sending that off to the shop to have that re-sleeved. So hopefully that will happen next week, and then once it's sleeved we can start assembly. I still have another couple of projects getting around. One of my old R1s. I've got a old 1992 two-stroke TZR 250, which hopefully one day will be worth something. But you know, everything came out well. There was no real damage or sign to anything. You know, the pistons I'm never going to use again, so why label all that crap? The biggest issue was, see all this crud behind the oil. So this was behind the oil pump, and I found this in the heads as well. So I use a local company, an Australian company, and they're meant to be top of the line, and this stuff is, let's see if I can get it, it's like tar, the consistency of tar. And what they said to me is oxidization from running the car too hot without frequent oil changes. And there's a long email saying, you know, the car's 20,000 kilometers old, and I've never seen that before. I've actually, I've cleaned up, but you can see any spot where any oil has kind of sat, it's happened. And in the galleries, the top of the galleries of in the cams, it's sat, and see, it's collected and it's turned to goo. So the worst thing was behind the cam chain tensioners, and I don't know if these are ratchet tensioners or these are hydraulic tensioners, but this stuff's tar, and the oil wouldn't build pressure behind it. And as you can see, I can just peel it off. Yeah, it's horrible stuff. So that's where I am at the moment. I've got a whole bunch of stuff waiting. I've got the supercharger just sitting there waiting. I have the crank just sitting there waiting. I'll send that off with the block to get it balanced with everything new. The 1300cc injectors just sitting there waiting. Everything's just waiting. I'm just waiting for those MMR sleeves. I'm waiting for MMR sleeves, and then some work can start. balancing and putting things back together. So excitement, really excited. So hopefully next week, the week after, we'll start seeing some things happen. So fingers crossed. So thanks for watching.